Sway, create, collaborate, seal the deal. Want to create a visually striking presentation without having to spend a lot of time on it? Then say hello to Sway, a digital storytelling app from Microsoft Office that lets you easily create digital presentations, newsletters, and blogs in minutes. First, let's start with what you want to put in. Text, photos, videos, all of the above. No worries. Sway makes it simple even if you have them all saved in different places. Are you more analytical than creative, or you just don't have time to spend hours and hours on formatting? Sway's built-in design engine quickly puts all of your content into a nice cohesive layout that looks finished and ready to show off. Everyone happy with this style? Sway lets you switch between multiple layouts, designs, and color palettes in seconds. Wondering how teammates can add more content to your Sway, and if their email limits can handle all of your photos and videos? With Sway, it's as easy as this. Now you won't have to worry about uploading and downloading file attachments. And teammates can simply open the link and start adding more content in. With Sway, everyone will have the latest version at hand. Now it's presentation time. Is your audience in a boardroom, a cafe, or on the go? Sway dynamically adapts so it looks great on every screen. No more worrying that viewers will have to squint at their phones while looking at your content. Finally, an app that is so easy and intuitive, teams will actually enjoy using it. Want to see it for yourself? Head over to sway.com and let us do the rest. Thank you for watching us.